congratulations, but you know they watch that shit. I ain't even gon' get mad.
Hello everyone! Welcome to our cooking vlog, where learning meets flavor. Today, we are diving into one of the most loved snacks ever made, crispy golden french fries, while learning the basics of deep frying. For this simple but tasty recipe, we only need a few ingredients: potatoes, cooking oil, and a pinch of salt. Sometimes, the simplest recipes give the best results. Let us start by washing our potatoes well. Clean potatoes are the key to fresh, crisp fries. After peeling, make sure to pat them dry. Too much water can make the oil splatter when frying. Next, let us talk about knife skills. We are using the classic julienne and baton net technique, which makes long, thick sticks perfect for fries. So, what exactly is deep frying? It is a cooking method where food is completely submerged in hot oil, usually between 170 to 190 degrees Celsius. The intense heat cooks food quickly, making the outside crispy and golden while keeping the inside soft and fluffy. French fries are deep fried because this method gives them their signature crunch. The oil removes surface moisture fast, creating that crispy texture while keeping the inside light and tender. The perfect bite. Deep frying is not just for fries. It is also used for fried chicken, donuts, tempura, and onion rings. All dishes that rely on that crispy outside and flavorful finish. Once our fries turn golden brown, remove them from the oil and let them drain on paper towels to remove excess oil.
She's so perfect, blah blah blah. Oh, how I wish you'll wake up one day. Run to me, confess your love. At least just let me say that when I talk to you, oh Cupid walks right through and shoots an arrow through my heart.
For our final presentation, we serve our fries with a glass of juice, some side chips, and fresh fruits. A simple setup but colorful and appetizing, proving that good presentation makes food even more enjoyable. Through this vlog, we learned that deep frying is an effective method for cooking foods that require a crispy texture like French fries. We also saw how proper cutting techniques and presentation can make a big difference in both taste and appearance. Thank you for watching our cooking vlogs, and we hope you enjoyed learning with us.